Quantity takeoffs and cost estimation schedules can be difficult and time-consuming to organize, especially on large projects. Displaying the right information correctly can be a challenge. Thanks to Archicad's enhanced schedule merge options, you'll get a clean, concise look with the information you need in the format you need it. Let's look at some of the basic merge options. First, open a predefined door schedule with basic parameters like ID, quantity, geometry data, and orientation. Activate the Merge Items checkbox to enable the merge options in the related field. Without advanced merge options, you can see that the left and the right-hand doors with the same ID are listed in separate columns. Hover the mouse over the orientation field and click on the Merge Options icon. We can specify whether we wish to merge only uniform fields or both uniform and various ones. We can also indicate the value to display, and we could add a separator character for better readability if we choose to list the various values in a single cell. If we check the Also Show Number of Items checkbox, the number for each different type will be displayed in brackets. As you can see, some doors that have the same element ID were not merged because their sill height values are different. Open the Merge options for this field and select Uniform or Various here as well. The fields are now merged, and we see the different doors according to their ID. Even though we prioritize the ID listing, we can still see information about the orientation and sill height easily. Enjoy greater scheduling freedom with these merge enhancements. To learn more about Archicad, visit graphisoft.com.